Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Revolut account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in revolut.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Revolut. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you do not have the account yet and if you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on the sign up option that you can see right over here. But if you want to log in to your account, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll be able to find the sign in methods over here. You can either use your phone number, email, Google or Apple, or you can also sign in with the QR code if you want. Simply click on the sign in method that you used while registering for your account. If you want to use your phone number, make sure to select the country code. Simply click on the field of country code. Now select the country code for yourself. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number. Click on the filter phone number. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Now after that what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. You may also need to enter your password or passcode associated with your account. After that, you'll be prompted for a quick selfie or another verification method such as a push notification to your mobile device. So complete the verification and you'll be able to access your Revolut account. So that is how you sign in Revolut account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.